Is your T-Mobile hotspot constantly resetting? This is a common issue with several potential causes. The most frequent culprits are faulty buttons. A faulty power or reset button might be triggering accidental reboots due to wear and tear, sticking, or moisture. Firmware glitches, where outdated or buggy software causes the device to restart to recover from errors, is another key reason. Lastly, power issues such as an aging or faulty battery can lead to voltage irregularities, forcing resets. Consider that frequent resets are a protective measure to maintain device integrity, but indicate an underlying fault that needs addressing. Use T-Mobile's diagnostic tools, such as the T-Mobile app, to log error codes and perform initial troubleshooting steps. Start by inspecting your hotspot for physical damage, paying close attention to the power and reset buttons. Clean button contacts with isopropyl alcohol to ensure they are not sticking. Ensure your device has proper ventilation to prevent overheating. Update the firmware by checking for updates via the T-Mobile app to resolve any software glitches. If the problem persists, the battery may be the issue, particularly in older devices, pre-2023 models. Consider replacing the battery if it's degraded. Use surge protectors to prevent power surges from damaging the battery. If under warranty, contact T-Mobile support for a free replacement. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it may require professional hardware diagnostics or component replacement. Keep in mind, many users have had success cleaning their device, updating the firmware, or replacing the battery to resolve this issue, so a fix may be very achievable.